Welcome to the spoken tutorial on wireless connectivity to Arduino. In this tutorial, we will learn to configure and upload code on ESP8266-01 module, establish wireless communication between ESP and other devices. To follow this tutorial, you should have a basic knowledge of electronics, C or C++ programming language, and wireless communication. To record this tutorial, I am using Arduino Uno board, Ubuntu Linux 16.04 OS, and Arduino IDE. We will require a few external components such as ESP8266-01 Wi-Fi module, breadboard, jumper wires, and push button. In this tutorial, we will use ESP8266-01 Wi-Fi module, VCC, RST, CH_PD, TX, ground, GPIO2, GPIO0, RX are the pins of the Wi-Fi module. Power LED indicates whether the module is on or off. COM LED is the built-in blue LED of the Wi-Fi module. In this tutorial, we will see how to control this built-in LED using Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi module has a built-in system-on-chip with integrated TCP/IP stack. It has a UART and 2 GPIO pins, general purpose input-output. It is widely used for development of IoT, that is Internet of Things applications. This is the circuit connection of ESP8266-01 module with Arduino. Note, the ESP8266-01 module works on 3.3 volts only. Connecting it to 5 volt may damage the Wi-Fi module. Connect ground pin of Wi-Fi module to ground pin of Arduino. Connect GPIO 0 pin of Wi-Fi module to ground of Arduino. Connect RX pin of Wi-Fi module to RX pin of Arduino. Connect TX pin of Wi-Fi module to TX pin of Arduino. Connect VCC and CH_PD pin of Wi-Fi module to 3.3 volts of Arduino. Connect a push button between RST pin of Wi-Fi module and ground pin of Arduino. This is the live setup of the connection as shown in the circuit diagram. Do the connection as shown here. We will establish a connection between Wi-Fi module and a laptop or a mobile phone. Now we will write a program in Arduino IDE. Open Arduino IDE. Connect your Arduino board to your PC. First we need to know the name of the port to which Arduino is connected. Go to the Tools menu. Select Port option. In my case, the port is TTY USB 0. Note down your port name. Windows users can skip the steps below as the port is detected automatically. Open the terminal by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously. Type sudo space chmod space a+rw space /dev/tty USB 0. In my case, the port name is TTY USB 0. You have to specify your port name. Press Enter. Enter your password for the system and press Enter. The above command gives read-write permission to the USB port. Switch back to Arduino IDE. Next we will configure the ESP8266 module to communicate. In the menu bar, click on the File menu. Select Preferences. A new window will appear. In the Settings tab, go to Additional Boards Managers URLs section. Add this JSON URL. This will help to download ESP8266 Wi-Fi module in Arduino IDE. Click on the OK button at the bottom of the window. In the menu bar, click on the Tools menu and select Board. Then select Boards Manager option. A new window will appear. In the top right corner, we can see a search tab. Here, type ESP8266 and press Enter. Select ESP8266 by ESP8266 Community. In the version drop-down box, select the latest version of the module. Click on Install button to install the module. Installation will take few minutes to complete. Wait until it is installed successfully. The ESP8266 module is now installed in the Arduino IDE. Click on the Close button at the right bottom of the window. Now before uploading the program, we have to select the ESP8266 module. Click on the Tools option and select Board. Scroll down and select Generic ESP8266 module. Next we need to set the built-in LED of ESP8266 module. Again, select Tools, go to Built-in LED option, set the built-in LED to 1. Next we will set the Reset option. In the menu bar, select Tools, go to Reset method, select Reset method to No DTR in bracket aka CK. This will help to reset the Wi-Fi module manually. Now we will write the code. Type the code as shown. We have included the ESP8266 library. SSID is the name of a Wi-Fi module. Here, I have named the Wi-Fi network as Wi-Fi _ ESP8266 _ Pratik. Password is the passcode to join the Wi-Fi network. And the password for the module is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to give your unique SSID and password. Password parameter is not mandatory. If you don't give password parameter, Wi-Fi network will be open. It will be accessible to everyone nearby. This command will enable the default IP address of the module. The default IP address of the module is 192.168.4.1. Inside the setup function, write the code as shown. This command will enable the SSID and password for the ESP8266 module. Server.begin will enable the Wi-Fi network for the given SSID and password. A delay of 2 seconds is given to boot the module. Built-in LED of the ESP8266 module is set to output mode. Copy and paste the code inside void loop function. This code is available in the code files link of this tutorial. You can download and use it. This HTML code will generate a web page as shown here. When LED on or LED off button is pressed, the value is passed to the program. The program checks the value and controls the built-in LED of the ESP8266-01 module. Click on the Compile button to verify the program. A pop-up window will appear to save the current program. Name the program as Wi-Fi _ ESP8266 and click on the Save button to save the program. Now click on Upload button to upload the current program on ESP8266-01. we can see the program getting uploaded at the bottom of the screen. When the state changes to connecting, press the push button on the breadboard. Release it after 2 to 3 seconds. We will see a message as leaving soft resetting as shown here. This indicates that the program is uploaded successfully. Switch off your mobile internet. Open Wi-Fi option of your mobile phone. Search for nearest network to connect. In my case, I am getting Wi-Fi _ ESP8266 _ Prateek since I have given this name in the code. Select the Wi-Fi. Enter the password and check if it is connected to Wi-Fi. Open web browser in your mobile phone. Enter the IP address 192.168.4.1. This is the default IP address of ESP8266-01 Wi-Fi module by the manufacturer. The web page opens as per the HTML code. We can see the LED of ESP8266-01 module is off. Click on LED on button, which will turn on the blue LED of the Wi-Fi module. It will be on until we press the LED off button. Click on LED off button, which will turn off the blue LED of the Wi-Fi module. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learned to configure and upload code on ESP8266-01 module, establish wireless communication between ESP and other devices. As an assignment, check if your PC or laptop has wireless connectivity and do the steps below. On the top right corner, click on Wi-Fi icon. Select the name of your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Open the browser and go to 192.168.4.1. Select the button and see the output on the ESP8266-01 module. You should see the output of the assignment as shown here. The video at the following link summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This tutorial has been contributed by FOSSEE and Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay. And this is Saurabh signing off. Thanks for joining.